UCHB Jaya Shankar ulat ke Jylla Meghalaya, kumukongsan ha ke Dorbar Iktiar Paidbah blokot penlong da Khasi Hills Darmas District Council, ha ke jingetrai lang wat ke senjok kirang bakur ke briu hinyo trap, ha ke khat pratrik ukulan got, araja arpusan had second ground polo, ulapen Pynsmai Paidbah bandrat Dyngkhong yau Droks, ublak sam ha ke emlang salang. Yakni ke Dorbar Iktiar Paidbah la penlong ban Pynsmai halor artali ke Amendment Act ke Council kata ke Khasi Hills Darmas District Administration of Ilaka Amendment Act araja arpulai but ke Khasi Hills Darmas District Khasi Social of Lineage Amendment Act araja arpulai ki bala orlong hadin nyop arsnam ke jingthau yaki Darmas District Council lingba ke kernet benriu kariti sensyar kari India. Khasi Hills Darmas District Council Administration of Ilaka Amendment Act araja arpulai kadon haka yaki kendon ki bapen kop bor yaki Dorbar snong hakabala itho lang yaki seng samla ki seng long kme ki seng kentai nalor ka jinglum jingken yaki nong song snong kadba haka Khasi Hills Darmas District Khasi Social of Lineage Amendment Act araja arpulai la pendrung yaki kendon ki ba aibor yaki Dorbar kor ki seng kor bot ki rangba bante song yaki kamkor ki badon kumbasan hajar teli hari Khasi. Hakade ke Dorbar nalor ulat ke Jylla laya don lang ru do ba Preston Tensong usembut menteri rang ba ke Jylla uberepe ya ketena District Council Affairs ke Sarkar Jylla uba penyat sings im Chief Executive Member Jongka Khasi Hills Darmas District Council ki Executive Member ki MDC bat ki Officer ke Council ki noi lam na ki senjok sang samlash nong kelempong ki sang kentai ki senjok ki nong sencharge nong ke beri uhnyo trap ke Federation of Khasi States bat ki wei Hakari kesegi la plat baru yaki notification ki bayar day bat kini ki arli ki Amendment Act nalor ke jing IT ser not shaki sengkor baper ki bala register bat ka KHADC.
Today I pledge to commit myself for fighting against the drugs abuse in our societies. As responsible member of my community, I will take all necessary steps for elimination of drug from the lives of our people. I ensure to keep our younger generation remain away from the drugs and try my best to bring them back in mainstream who already fell in this harmful trap. I further ensure that our faith, beliefs and cultural traditions should remain dedicated to our values and free from evils like that. Together we can create self-resilient Meghalaya that serves as a model of inclusive development for the nation. I dream for Meghalaya, where tradition and modernity coexist harmoniously. A Meghalaya where youth are empowered, where women lead with confidence, and where communities thrive with dignity and pride. Let us work together on this path with determination. Meghalaya is more than a state, it is a family. Meghalaya is more than a state, it is a family. And as head of this family, I am committed to our overall well-being, harmony and progress of the state.
Habatin, Paidbah ki Kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau khau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pet ya Kashab plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam khta ika dor jingki mar bam ka jing ma lani ka rukom shed yaki
Balehi banai kita.
ka don ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba kham bha ka jing im ba kham bha pendon kam daki mar bam madon ka sharp plus f menta ka sngi
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya